Hey, what's going on? This short tutorial will be restoring an HP Pavilion Dv9000 back to its original factory settings. So we'll start with power on the laptop, and while it's booting up, we hold down F11. You hold down F11 while the computer's booting up. So you just have to wait for some seconds. We'll get into a new screen right now. So it says welcome to the recovery manager, and use this program to recover your computer to its original factory condition. So we'll go to where it says advanced options. You click on advanced options. So advanced options says we have different options: computer checkup, Microsoft system restore, and the system recovery. This is what we want. We want the system recovery, the fourth option. You click on that, and you click on next. It asks you, do you want to back up your files, your data before recovery begins? So back up your files first, which is recommended. That is if you've not backed up your files. But in this case, we just want to recover without backing up your files. And the second option is very good if you have viruses and malware or any major problem with your computer. You just want to wipe off everything and start up all afresh. So we choose the second option that says recover without backing up your files, and we click next. So that is just all you need, and for now you just have to wait for some minutes, and your computer will be restored back to the original factory settings, the way it was when you bought the computer. And remember, this is an HP Pavilion Dv9000 running Windows XP, Windows Vista. Alright, thank you for viewing this short tutorial.